welcome back to Sugar and Spice by Simrith. My name is Simrith, and today I'll be sharing my favorite breakfast recipe with you guys, French toast. So let's go through all of the ingredients and let's get started. So what you will need will be a half cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 eggs, 3 tablespoons of room temperature butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 4 slices of bread. You can use any kind. And here I'm using a flat bottom dish because it'll be easier to dip the bread in when the mixture is ready, and also is easier when you're cooking. So let's get started. So first you're going to take the eggs and put them in your dish. There we go. And next you're going to take the sugar and you're going to put it in your dish. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, now we have that done. Let's whisk it all up. And make sure everything is very finely. And now this is done, let's add the milk. Now this mixture is ready. Now let's head back and start the cook. So right now our flame is on and our mixture is ready, so it's time to butter the pan. Put it here. Now we have to take our bread and dip it in here. And make sure you do it really quickly because you don't want the bread to soak up too much of the mixture, because then it gets really soggy and it's really weird to eat. So now we're going to take our flipping tool and make sure not to press the bread because it might get burnt. And make sure to cook it until it's golden brown, like here. Make sure to let it cook nicely. And I'm gonna flip it. Make sure to do it gently because the bread can get a hole in it. So now it's ready. We're going to take our plate, scoot that over, and we're going to put the bread onto our plate. And make sure again to do it really gently. We don't want a hole in our bread. Ooh, it looks yummy. And now this bread is ready, and make sure to do the same steps with all the rest of the breads. So now our delicious French toast has been nicely cooked, and now it's time to serve it. So things I'll be using to serve and everything will be some syrup. You can use honey if you like honey. I'll be using some blueberries. You can use any berries if you want. Again, this is optional. And you can use any berries you want, like raspberries, blueberries, strawberries. I just like blueberries. Here I'm using powdered sugar, which is also optional because I just like a little bit more sweetness to my toast. And again, this is optional, is butter, and we're just gonna use it to add a little more of a lighter flavor. And the reason why I have a cute little heart here is because this is a trick just to make your French toast a little more fun. So here it is. You're gonna take any piece of paper and cut it into any shape you want. You're gonna put it on your French toast. Here, I'll be taking some, like a strainer, and I'll be using the powdered sugar. So I'll just use my hand with it. This is all you need. Next, you're gonna take your heart, put it here, and put it on your French toast. Make sure all the sides are covered if you're doing this trick. And again, you're gonna add some more sugar. Now I've added my sugar. I'll just put here, and now let's carefully lift off the heart, and voila! You have a perfect little, cute little French toast. So next, after this step, you will need some of your blueberries if you're using them. I'm using blueberries, so I'll just take a spoon and put the blueberries here. And I only like a few. Next, you're gonna take some butter. I'm gonna put a little cube of butter on here. And voila, your perfectly cooked French toast. And you can add syrup, because I'm going to. I'm gonna drizzle on the syrup. I like a lot of syrup because I like it extra sweet. So here you have your perfect French toast that you can make at home. And this is a perfect activity for little kids just to pass some time. If you enjoyed this breakfast recipe, please make sure to like this video and share it with all of your friends. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram and YouTube for more upcoming videos. Bye!